So now we're doing Mr. Lewis, who wishes to borrow £200, and he has two options for his loan. So we're going to consider them separately. So option 1, A, we're asked how much he has to pay back in total. So he has a percentage rate of 3%, and that is of his loan of £200, which is 200 divided by 100 to give you 1%, times by 3, which gives you £6. So his total to pay is just £200 plus that £6 equals £206. Part B, okay, is what's the size of the instalments. So he's paying it back over a year, which is 12 months. What are the monthly instalments? So if you divide that by 12, you get 17.166666, which may appear on your calculator as 17.16 with a dot on it. Be careful, because if you round to the nearest penny, which is what you should do, then your next number there is a 6, so that would round up. So that equals £17.17 to the nearest penny. So you might think that that then meant that he had to do 12 instalments of £17.17, but no, because if you multiply that by 12, you get £206 and 4p, which is 4p more than his total to pay. So what you need to do is we take that extra 4p off the final instalment to make sure that all he's paying back is the £206. So he has 11 instalments of £17.17, but he can't pay 12 of those because, so this is one instalment of, because if he paid 12 of those he would pay 4p too much, so the final instalment is going to be 4p less, which is £17.13. Okay, option 2. Now you have to be careful here, because option 1 had a term of 1 year, so the interest rate was given for the year, so you just worked out what that was. This time the interest rate is for a year, but he's paying it back over 6 months, so he only has to pay half of that interest. So the total to pay back, we're doing 5% of £200, which equals 200 divided by 100 and times by 5, which equals £10. But for 6 months, that is half a year. So it's £10 divided by 2, so you only pay the interest for half a year. So total to pay back, so that equals £5. Total to pay back is £200 plus this £5. So that gives you £205. Okay, then part B, his instalments. So we've got £205 to pay back, but he's only paying it back over 6 months, so that's just 6 instalments. And when you do that division, you get £34.1666. Here we go again. So we're going to round that to the nearest penny. But we need to check because he's going to overpay again. So 6 times that gives you £205 and 2p, which is 2p too much, so we need to make 5 instalments of £34 and 17 pence, and one of 2 pence less than that, £34 and 15 pence.